If your Facebook page is showing that you are not following Facebook content monetization policy, or is showing restricted monetization, come over, let me teach you what you're going to do and how you're going to resolve this issue. First of all, is if you are creating your original content and you are seeing that problem, continue posting on your page. Do not abandon the page. What I want to say to you is this: make sure you're uploading your original content. Make sure you are not taking people's content and be posting it on your page. If you are posting your content and this thing is still showing on your page, do not worry yourself, keep on posting your content. At a time, once Facebook finally updates their system, it is going to be ticked automatically green. That is if you're posting your own content, original content. But if it happens that you are not posting your original content and you've gotten your 5,000 followers, your 60,000 minutes watch, and this is just the only thing that is preventing you from monetizing that page you are using right now, what I want to tell you is this: even though you started your page 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, depending on whenever you started your page, and you know that the content in those page are not yours, or you have majority of people's content, I want to tell you this: go to your page, start deleting those contents one after the other. Do not leave any content that does not belong to you on your page. By the time you finally do this thing, keep on uploading your original content. After deleting those contents that are not yours, continue posting your original content on and on. You get me? Keep doing it continuously, and also endeavor to go live maybe 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, depending. With time, automatically Facebook is going to remove that valuation you have. Because why? It is now going to be tick that you follow Facebook content monetization, because all the content in your page are actually yours. They are not for people. So guys, this is what you need to do. Do not trouble yourself why you are on this, but be calm and make sure everything is going to be resolved. In as much as you follow this instruction, you're gonna see that your page monetize again. I wish you best of luck. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share if you find value in this content, in this video. Also follow this page for more updates. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.